I'm Zmana from Eat Plants and Travel, and welcome to what we think is the best vegan restaurant in all of Nepal. See ya! Start your sea experience is with this absolutely amazing Sia special flower fusion tea. Well, let me show you inside. So you get this massive teapot, and here you have all sorts of flower leaves. Amazing stuff. This big massive pot only cost 400 rupees, which is about £2. And if you'll be a nice customer, you'll be even asked if you would like to have more hot water, which means that you're gonna have a limited supply of this beautiful, delicious tea. So cheers. Here is seitan biryani.
Looks good.
Amazing. And this is only half a portion. That is 300 rupees. This is the most succulent, the most beautiful homemade seitan ever. And it's only less than 20% gluten too. The rest is a secret. Literally have this every single day for lunch, breakfast and dinner, and as I mentioned earlier, this could be probably my last meal of ever.
This will be your death row meal, eh?
That would be my death row meal, yeah. I just really wish not to forget these flavors, and it wasn't about the seitan much as it was about the rice as well. It's just something that, I mean, it's just rice, but I could just had the rice on its own.
And no grain of rice was wasted.
Burger. What else do I need really to say? Let's cut it open, the bad boy, and see what's inside.
Okay, we have two different patties. So I think that's a tofu patty or a mushroom
There
patty.
is a tofu in there.
That's a tofu patty, and then you've got your seitan patty with your lettuce and coleslaw and juices and all kinds of goodness. Just topped up our special tea after we finished the pot,
And
full again.
that was Sia, the best vegan food in Nepal. We've been here for now, 3 weeks? Just over 3 weeks.
Yeah.
We went to Pokhara, Bandipur, Bhaktapur, and probably 7 or 8 places in total. And this is hands down the best vegan food ever. I mean, you can't get more authentic, more fresher, and the homemade recipes, beautiful. So whenever in Kathmandu, do yourself a favor and come down here to try this delicious tea.